Welcome to the McGrath Ford family. We're grateful you've chosen us, and we're here to make your vehicle ownership experience as enjoyable as possible. Let us show you what sets us apart. First, making your next service appointment is fast and easy. With our online scheduling tool, choose your ideal time straight from your smartphone, or simply give us a call. Our team will handle the rest. Our service center is your go-to destination for all your vehicle's maintenance needs. Oil changes, tire rotations, brake services, and more. Our friendly team is ready to keep your vehicle in top condition, regardless of make or model. You'll find our state-of-the-art repair shop where our highly skilled, master-certified technicians work diligently to ensure your vehicle receives the care it deserves. Our dedicated service team, backed by an extensive in-stock inventory, is here to support you every step of the way. We make sure to explain any and all maintenance and repair needs in easy and understandable terms so you're never left out of the loop. While our technicians tend to your vehicle, enjoy drinks, snacks, and free Wi-Fi in our comfortable lounge area. Can't stick around? No problem. Our complimentary shuttle service makes drop-offs and pickups a breeze, while our knowledgeable advisors and technicians collaborate to provide the best possible care for your vehicle. Plus, with our provided video inspections, you can feel comfortable knowing that you'll see everything we see, giving you peace of mind. To make things even more convenient, we offer vehicle pickup and delivery with mobile payment options. We know that flexibility is essential, which is why our mobile service team is always on the go, providing support to local businesses and individual customers alike. Whether it's addressing recalls, installing parts, or tackling other vehicle needs, we're ready to meet you where you are. Looking to add a personal touch to your vehicle? Our accessories team is here to help you explore all the customization options available through Ford's parts and accessories programs, as well as other vendors. From lifting your truck to tinting your windows, our factory-trained technicians can bring your vision to life. Ask about McGrath Auto Care. Our prepaid service plan packages 3 oil changes, 3 car washes, and 3 tire rotations, all at one discounted price. At McGrath Ford, we're more than just a dealership. We're your trusted partner and family throughout your vehicle ownership journey. From maintenance and repair to personalization and performance, we're dedicated to making your experience with us exceptional. Take care of your needs down the road. Get more with McGrath. We'll prove it.